I'm John Digger, owner of Hashatron, and basically our background here is stainless steel metal fabrication, and our shop is very capable of cutting, fabricating, rolling, that kind of thing. Our group of guys here is great. They have a great mechanical background, electrical, design, fabrication, and it becomes a nice little team that we have. We're not a very large shop, we're kind of on the smaller end, but we're very well suited for these project-specific type jobs. And our shop is a very good flow where we're able to do basically almost everything under one roof. We can bring in raw materials, cut, fabricate, roll, bend, break, weld, all in-house, and produce a finished product that's turnkey for the end user. One of the main guys that we work with is Brian. He's our right-hand man. Brian's background came from the commercial kitchen type equipment. He was a great asset to bring in because everything in the food world has to be of a certain spec, a certain grade, a certain cleanliness, and we have to now roll that over to this type of application where we've seen a lack of that in the industry.
Coming from the restaurant industry, building food-grade equipment, this machine incorporates all aspects. After we weld, we polish everything down to make sure things are smooth. If they're not smooth, you get a buildup of grime, dirt, or even just nastiness in the welds. So the key to make a clean weld is to polish it smooth, and that's what we do with our machine. With the ease of cleaning, the dull corners, and the types of metals incorporated to the build, this machine will hold up to those tough standards.
All of our equipment was purpose-built for the hash making industry, the solvent-free based industry. One of the big things we got to work with is a company, Rosentech, and their feedback was awesome on this type of equipment. We would build something, they wouldn't like it, we'd get some constructive criticism, we'd take it on the chin, we would rework it, rebuild it to make things more user-friendly. To be user-friendly, less people involved is always better. So our equipment is driven to be used by one person. It's got its own crane to load it, the baskets are interchangeable for ease of use, and you can make it like almost like a production line. You can keep things rolling, flowing through it without stopping and reloading things and starting from scratch. The nice thing about the equipment is it's very adaptable. We give you a lot of settings that you can pre-program on site, you can change, you can modify per strain specific, different types of things. Not everybody's gonna like the same settings, so we give you all the options to do so. And everything is done off the front end on a very large, easy to use color touchscreen with many options that can be changed on the fly. It's almost like using your iPhone. So we try to make it easy for everybody, young and old. So anybody can operate this equipment without a serious technical background. So what sets Hashatron apart from the rest of the industry is not just our equipment, but we're also going to provide with it. We're going to help you right off the bat by speccing out the correct size equipment for your application, your throughput needs, your end use, that kind of thing. Secondly, you're going to get delivery. We're going to get the equipment to the site, then we're going to set it up. So then it'll roll right into training of the equipment. You're going to get on-site training from us and your hash making team to properly be able to use this piece of equipment that you have on site. After the equipment's been on site, you're going to have factory back service as well as maintenance throughout the life of the equipment. You're not just buying something and going to get walked away from it. You're going to have people that are stand behind the product that'll help you use it and maintain it to keep making quality product through the life of the equipment.